Hello all, Jamie here from Craftmania, and today we have another spot offer for you. Now today is an incredible spot offer because we've got 2, 4, 6, 8 different products we're going to bring to you, all at ridiculous prices, genuinely, and I do mean ridiculous prices. And it might be that you're going to look at these as items to break down and take components out of for your own personal use, or it might be that the Easter Bunny is due in the not too distant future, and you might look at these and think, well, actually, these are going to make great presents for the children, the grandkids, the neighbours' kids, whoever's kids, or perhaps even further afield, you're going to start thinking about stocking fillers for Christmas. Because today we are bringing you 8 different child-friendly craft packs, and the bit that you're going to find absolutely bonkers is each one of these is 49p. I know, that's silly, isn't it? Now, if we start off with this one, the one I've picked up, this is our Ocean Explorers pack. Now, our Ocean Explorers pack consists of 15 different pieces. So should we dig into this? Because it's going to be nice for you to see what's in a couple of these, I feel. So we'll dig in and see what we can actually find within here. Now, you're paying 49 pence to receive this kit. The recommended retail price for this pack is actually £5.99 for the one we're looking at. Straight away, we have got glue. We would pay more than 49p for the tube of glue, wouldn't we? We then have got a little packet of crayons in there, 6 crayons to be precise. We've then got, and this is what I'm on about, breaking them down for our everyday crafters. This is a big bag of sequins. If we went to many brands of sequins, we would be paying more than our 49p for that. I know of a brand that we stocked for many years, and you would get about that many for 99p. So you're getting all of that lot for half the price of one packet on top of that, and that's madness. Then we've got googly eyes. Then in here we've got some fun facts. They're going to be fun to play along with and quiz, aren't they? So little fun fact cards. Now these are fun. We have got some die cut fish, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Then we have got some carts, so we can design our own aquarium. We then have our little printed fishies to put in the aquarium, a little dot to dot as well. Then we've got some tissue paper. So we've got green tissue paper, we've got pink tissue paper, we've got orange tissue paper. There's quite a few sheets here actually. Again, more than your 49p's worth, I should imagine, just in that alone. Then on top of that, what have we got here? We have got a little printed background to put our fishies on and to play around with those on there. And then lastly, what's this little? This is a sticker sheet, isn't it? A sticker sheet to go with it. Again, more than your 49p right there in stickers alone. So stickers, background, tissue paper, little cards to play with, cards to colour in, fish tank to make, glue, crayons, sequins, eyes, fish to decorate, and fun facts, all for 49p. Now genuinely, delving into that, I can see why that has a recommended retail price of £5.99. And I feel if you're going to take the kids out for the day, or maybe you're going to have a rainy day at home play day, maybe you're going on a holiday with the grandchildren this year and are thinking, well, what are we going to do on the day where it's a bit manky? Maybe these are the kind of things you want to take along with you to make sure everyone's got something to play along with and do. So that's our first one. That was the Ocean Explorers kit. Should be £5.99, but it's only 49p. We then move on and we have got a Space Explorer kit. Now, I'm not going to dig into this one because I think you probably got the idea of what you're going to be receiving. This one's got 10 pieces in it. You've got different sticker sheets by the look of it up here with your solar systems on. We've got little quiz sheets again. We've got colouring in sheets. We've got a little background to put them on. We have, of course, got crayons to go with them. It says includes sticker sheets, colouring sheets, fun activities, and dot to dots, plus crayons as well. So I think there's an awful lot in there for you to be playing with, all for 49p. Then we move on to a different type of kit. Now this one we are going to delve into. How adorably cute are these? These are our sew your own unicorns. Now look at how much is in here even before we get into the pack. Now I give it a little squidge because I know this one's not fragile, thank goodness. But let's delve into this one, shall we? So again, this is 49p. Let's have a little look. Okay, well I can tell you now, Your stuffing is probably 49p's worth versus a bag of stuffing already. On top of that, we have got decorative parts for our unicorns. We have then got some glue. We've got a little needle in there as well. We've got a couple of stick-on eyes. We've got some ribbon, all in that little bag, ready to make up our unicorn. And then in this bag, what have we got? I think this is going to be our bodies to our unicorns. So these are going to be our felt bodies. And I think we're going to find, we've got 4 of these. Yes, we have. So we've got 2 different unicorn bodies and we've got the pieces to decorate them. So again, 49p to be making these. Maybe, and this is a different idea, maybe you make to sell. Maybe you're going to be holding some stalls of craft fairs and bits like that throughout the summer. Maybe you're going to be doing different carnivals or boot sales. You imagine making these up and selling these on your fair or on your tables or wherever you're going. This is a cost price to you at 25p per unicorn. I can see big profit on those. Maybe you want to add in a few more additions. Maybe you want to jazz them up a little bit more. Why not? There's budget to do that. Or once again, maybe you want to do them with the kids. Maybe you want to give them out as Easter gifts this year. It's certainly a healthier alternative than an Easter egg. So that one is your unicorn set. And should be, to give you the recommended retail price, because that's always nice, this one should be $3.49. Oh, and your instructions, let's pop that in there as well. So that one should be $3.49 and is only 49p. Moving on, we have got for you, now this is cute. Now, if you're going to go for the unicorns, you're going to possibly want some of these as well. We have got dinosaurs. So again, same idea, obviously. You're going to get your 2 different dinosaur sets in there. You're going to get the stuffing to put them in. You're going to get the needles. You're going to get all the plastic needle. You're going to get all of the bits you need to make up 2 dinosaurs. And again, only 49p, should be $3.49. We then move on and we have got for you your create your own astronauts. So let's dig into one of these because it's nice to see one of each, isn't it? I love the way even the packaging has got activities on it. So every part of this has been thought out. There is no wasted space. Now hang on a minute. What do we have here? We have got a very big bag of brads. Now these are really nice. Look at them. These are silver flat topped brads. Now forget this. 49p for that lot, that's a bargain. That's a silly price for very nice looking brads. So any of our scrapbookers out there, anyone who likes to make moving cards, anyone who likes to use brads to hold bits down, that's a bargain. Our brads, I think, are $2.49 a packet. The only brads that we stock here at Craftmania. So you look at that, that's already quids in. Then you've got some crayons, you've got some string, you've got the pulley bits. Oh, is that the pulley bit? That's the top bits, isn't it? To make our puppets, I'm guessing. And then we've, oh, look at these. These are all die cut, ready to come out and be built up to make your little puppet astronauts. And then, of course, we've got instructions to do that with as well. So string to put them together, little cross tops to hang them on, and then the actual parts to make them, and the crayons to colour them in. Now, I don't know whether you're looking at this and thinking, hang on a minute, just the brads alone, that's going to be worth getting hold of. But actually, them astronauts could be some really cool details to put onto the front of your cards as well. So yeah, not only those as card embellishments, but also brads that are going to save you a fortune as well. Now, can we get that one back in there? I think we can. So that one is your colour your own puppet astronaut. And then to go with that, we also have, again, only 49p, a ballerina version too. Now this one's going to give you your brads, your crayons, your different pieces to make that one up as well. Little puzzle on the back, and again, 49p. These ones should be $2.49 each. So this is our lowest recommended retail price throughout, at only $2.49. But you're still only paying 1/5 of the price, because they should be $2.49. You're paying 49p. When we go on to those bigger ones that should be $5.99 and you're paying 49p, I don't even want to try and work out what the maths on that is, but that's a silly price. Then we move on and we have got for you, make your own wand kit. How cute is this? So let's dig into this one. So again, little puzzle on the back there, so no space is wasted. Everything, hang on a minute. Hang on. Oh, this is, oh really? This is silly. So in this one, we are giving you a packet of gems that is worth more than the 50p or more than the 49p already, isn't it? That is more than your 49p. We go to the gem aisle or the gem page on the website, that's going to be a couple of quid there. And you're going to get that in your pack for 49p. What else are we getting? We're getting a couple of sticks. Now these are actually going to be quite handy, aren't they? So of course they're perfect for our wands, but these could be perfect dowels for many, many other crafty makes. You've then got some felt tips to colour them in with. You've got a little tube of glue. We've got some little ribbons to add on some decorations. And then we've got, again, die cut hearts to go onto our wands, 2 of those, and die cut stars to go onto our wands. Now I don't know about you, but I'm looking at them ribbons, I'm looking at them gems, I'm looking at those sticks, and I'm thinking 49p just for a crafter, great value. But actually, going back to the whole idea of it, what a perfect little gift to give to the grandkids, to the neighbours' children, to our children, or anybody else to actually sit and decorate and play with. So that, of course, is your make your own wand kits. Those ones, again, should be $2.49 and are only 49p. And then lastly, and I do want to dig into this one because I have a feeling this one's going to have a bit of a difference to it. This one is our make your own sword kit. So let's have a little look at what we get in this one. Uh-oh, more gems, different gems, different gems. We need these as well, don't we? How many are on here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18, 20, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 43 gems. So that's just over a penny per self-adhesive gem if we forget the rest of the kit. 49p for that alone, bargain. Then we've got glue and we've got felts and we have got, these are actually really cool, die cut elements to make up our swords once again. And this time we are getting 4 printed die cut sheets to make the swords. So you've got the sword elements, you've got the gems, you've got the glue and you've got the felt all coming to you in the make your own sword set. Now I really love these. I think these are a great little idea, as I said earlier. Maybe we're looking ahead to Christmas. That really isn't that far away. I don't think these are going to be lingering very long. I certainly don't think they're going to be here when it comes to Christmas. So this might be the best time to get hold of these and start stocking up. So just to run through them again. You've got the make your own sword, 49p. We have got the make your own wands, 49p. We've got the dinosaurs, 49p. Are we seeing a pattern? We have got the unicorns, 49p. We have got the ballerina set, 49p. We've got the astronaut set, 49p. We've got the explore space set, 49p. And if you hadn't guessed already, we've got the ocean explorer set, 49p. Now each of those vary in retail prices. I've told you them all as we go through, but we know the dearest one amongst the lot is the ocean explorer one. That one should be $5.99. Others of them vary from $5.99, $5.49, $3.49, $2.49, but whichever one you go for or start with, even if it is the least expensive ones, which I think, if I go by memory, is something like the swords, even with these, you're paying 1/5 of the recommended retail price for them. It's just silly money, isn't it? Now, obviously, if you spend over £10 here with us at Craftmania, you're going to also receive free UK P&P. So what's that going to be? About 21, 22 kits? You don't have to just buy kits. You can mix and match with other things. It doesn't have to all be about the kits. But if you was to get 20 of these, think of the huge money-making saving you've created on not buying them at full price. So no wrong could be done with that if you was to just spend your £10 on these alone. I think that'd actually be a really great way to be able to add a little stash in a cupboard for rainy days of the kids or presents for the children throughout the next little while. As I said, Christmas really isn't far away in the grand scheme of things, is it? So spend over £10, free UK P&P. If you wish to upgrade to first class, then absolutely possible to do so. That's a flat rate of £3.95p. Maybe you're looking at these and thinking, well, actually, I just want to get 2 or 3 of the unicorns. Maybe I don't want loads of them. That's only going to come in at like 140 something, isn't it? Don't panic. You can pay for P&P under £10 if you wish to, and your under £10 rate for P&P is just £2.95p. So genuinely, buy 3 of these for your 147 something, pay your P&P, you've still got them delivered cheaper than the recommended retail price of buying 3 of them. You can't go wrong, can you? And of course, if you're watching from around the world and looking at these and thinking, well, that's just too good a bargain to pass up, then you can order anywhere in the world. Just pop onto the website to see how our international shipping works. But in short, it's capped at £10. So the most you'll pay is £10. If we find it cheaper than that, we'll actually refund the difference for you. Thank you very much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed today's spot offer, and bag yourself a bargain before they're all gone. The link to find these kits is of course in the description to today's video and in the comments as well. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.